is Alek Louden, and my oral compendium is on Wang. So a little about his personal life. He was born February 7th, 1920 in Shanghai, China. Then he graduated from Shanghai Jitong University with a degree in electrical engineering in 1940. He got his PhD in applied physics from Harvard in 48, and then in 1949 he married Lorraine Scher and had three children with her. And then 1951, he founded Wang Laboratories, and then finally in 1990, he died in Boston, Massachusetts. So leading up to his main invention, he designed radio receivers and transmitters for China during World War II. And then after graduating from Harvard, he worked with Howard Aiken on the design of the Mark IV, which was Aiken's first fully electronic computer. During the process, Anne was asked to find a way to record and read magnetically stored information without mechanical motion. This led him to invent the magnetic core storage slash pulse transferring controlling device alongside Wei Danlu, and then formed Wang Laboratories. And then in 1955, he patented uh, the magnetic core invention. So a little bit more about Wang Industries. So he sold the magnetic storage system to IBM for $500,000. And later on, they produced electronic calculators that were aimed at the scientific market. And then in 1974, they began manufacturing word processors. And in 1976, they started making a processor that became the market leader in the world processing industry. And then finally, and retired from Wang Industries in 1982. And then a little bit about magnetic core memory. It is a type of random access computer memory. It works by having magnetic material that is magnetized either clockwise or counterclockwise. And then each piece could store one bit of data, zero for counterclockwise, uh, counterclockwise magnetic field, and one for clockwise magnetic field. And then it can be accessed by reading the magnetic fields in a wire. So pretty much induction of moving electrons through the magnetic field produces back EMF. And then this type of chip was prominent between 1955 and 1975. And then Wang's contribution, magnetic cores were like a concept and were technically produced before he developed his, but they weren't really that well. And then the magnetic core memories before Wang were slow and deleted information after reading data. And then Wang developed the write after read cycle, which kept the data from being erased at the same time they're being read. The establishment of a coinciding circuit system then allowed groups of cores to operate with far fewer wires, which made the entire process easier. And then these inventions allowed their cores to perform well and made magnetic memory the most used memory for 20 years. And then relation to computer architecture. While they're not used much today, magnetic core memory was a stepping stone for memory. This invention allowed computers to develop further as it provided a viable option for memory, and it was non-volatile, so when it was turned off, it wouldn't lose all of its data. And then it pretty much gave a basis for the memory systems we use today. And then here's my sources.